In this chapter, we're going to go to the step 2 of the configuration. So in step 2 in the configuration, the first thing you can do is that you can set auto post limits to stop the campaign when it gets to a particular number of posts. Maybe you can decide to call it maybe 150. So when WP Content Machine imports 150 articles for you, what you're trying to tell you that is that you should stop importing the articles when it gets to the 150th article. So you can enter the maximum number of articles you want imported in this campaign. Other campaigns will continue, but for this particular campaign, this is the maximum number of articles that you want imported. Next thing is the template title. You can set the template title, you can delete this and enter the title you want to use. You can also add a phrase to it, something like review. So this will show, and then the text will come after, the title will come after. That's the original title, but let's just leave it as the original title. So the next section is the post template, where you have a template of how your post is going to be like. You can rearrange all these things anyhow you want it to be. Now we have the advert 1, advert 2, we have the content in between, and then we have the source at the bottom. Any of them that you don't want to show, maybe you don't want to show advert 2, just delete it. It will only show advert 1, match content, and then the source. If you want to remove the source, you delete it from here. So that's how it works. Next, we are going to look at the post type. Here you can set the type of post you want. Now for this particular campaign, when this article is imported or when this blog post is imported, what kind of post do you want it to be? Do you want it to be a post or a page? You can select it, maybe a post or a page. And you can also select custom post types. So you have different custom post types on your blog. They are going to show you, and you can select the kind of custom post type you want to use to import this content. And the last thing we are going to be doing, if you selected the post type as posts, then you can select the category. Normally posts on your WordPress blog has different categories, including the uncategorized. So you can select the category you want the post to belong to. A quick example, the uncategorized category. When you're done, you proceed to step 3.